Well, that's, man, I don't know, that might be too much. Coming in hot.
All right.
Oh yeah, get it real low. Welcome back everybody to the Jesse's Performance channel. This is my real second video of filming. I figured I'd give you guys an introduction and a walkthrough. My boy Billy's supposed to be here with the teleprompter. I don't know where the hell he's at. Probably, what are you pointing? Damn it, Billy! That's not even the right sign. Anyways, you're supposed to be behind the camera so I could see you. Anyways, enough with that. Let's go inside and I'll introduce you guys to everybody. You gotta say hi to the camera.
Oh, hi. I'm Stacey. I'm Jesse's wife and co-owner of Jesse's Performance.
She does all the paperwork and the stuff that no one else wants to do.
That's what I do.
All right, let's keep going. We're gonna enter the restricted area.
Wait. Can I go?
Yeah, we'll let you go this time. All right, let's go. What's his name? Eric. All right, this is one of our new guys, Eric. No, his name's Dylan. Damn it, you fucked it up.
I got his name wrong.
Yes, you got his name wrong.
Wait, so y'all made up a joke and didn't even know my name? It's fucking terrible. My name's Dylan, and I work on cars. Drugs are bad, so don't ever do them. And that's pretty much me.
How old are you?
I'm 20, but with my receding hairline.
With that hairline, though.
Fucking 30.
All right.
Get sponsored by Rogaine, maybe?
Probably, I hope so.
All right, let's go. All right, well, I think this is Eric, another new guy.
Yes, I'm Eric from Fort Worth. Been here 2 weeks now.
All right, let's go meet Billy, AKA Butch. Wait, it's the other way around. Butch, AKA Billy, but whatever. Hey, Billy.
What's up, guys?
It's your part of the interview, bud.
Oh, okay. My name is Butch, not Billy.
Don't believe that.
They still haven't figured that out. Worked here almost a year now.
He hasn't figured it out. I don't promise.
Apparently I'm wrong. You know.
What's your driver's license?
My driver's license says Billy on it. No, it doesn't.
Got him! Yes, see? Perfect.
All right.
What do you do here at Jesse's Performance there, Billy?
I do a lot of fabrication. Work on motors. Put together cars, wire cars up. Pretty much everything we do around here.
That's my right-hand man.
Thanks, Dad.
All right, we gotta figure it out.
Wait, that's contradicting the sign.
Hey, shut up.
How about your achievements since you've been at Jesse's Performance?
Oh, what would that be?
Well, you went from a V5 Mustang to a LS1 GTO.
Yeah, that's definitely an upgrade.
It's missing
runs.
cylinders like a crackhead's mouth.
It runs though. I'll get in, start, drive.
All right. Well, enough of the Mustang. It's already got too much fucking camera time. Some of our faces aren't made for television.
Just my body.
Yeah. He's an XL. All right, we're gonna try and find Brandon. Brandon, where are you? There he is.
He's hiding.
This is Brandon, AKA Squeaky.
Why are you squeaky?
I got a second gen Dodge and the front end's awfully loud.
You know what they say? Dodge the father, ram the daughter.
That's a good one. Well, first stop, the engine room. This is where all the horsepower happens. As you can see, LS everything. And this is called the new side of the shop. We rented this second. I don't know what these fuckers are doing.
We want to be on camera.
Yeah, so we got lots of projects. You know, this is the start of our fabrication area. This is where all the banging and welding and grinding and special stuff happens. And this is where Billy spends most of his time. This and on the shitter.
Oh.
These are our lifts. This is the old side of the shop. This is where all the mechanic stuff goes down. You know, transmissions, clutches, engines. Yeah, there's the ladder with the new guy. All right, and this is our office, everybody, where Stacey lives.
I don't live here, I work in here. This is where we keep most of our parts, turbos, stuff that's shiny and nice to look at. We also keep all of our merch in here. I'm low on hats right now. Actually, I'm out of hats right now, but we have shirts and we have hoodies coming in.
All right, so I'm gonna do a little interview with my wife, just so you guys can figure out who she is and, you know, she can tell you a little bit about herself. There you go.
So I'm not just Jesse's wife, I actually do car stuff. I've been doing car stuff for a really long time. I started drag racing in 1999, and let me show you some of my trophies. This one here is my pride and joy. This is an NHRA Wally. Not everybody gets one that drag races. I was lucky enough to win a big NHRA event and get a Wally. So that was my claim to fame, my 15 minutes.
What do you drive now?
I have a 2016 ATS-V. Doesn't have a ton done to it. We just tuned it. Makes 450 horsepower.
Does it do donuts?
It definitely does donuts.
All right, thanks for coming by Jessie's Performance, everybody. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment under the video, bitches. Finally, we're out of here.